John Murray with Jmurrayathletics. Hope you guys are having a lovely morning. I'm here with J-Mac, Johnny McIntosh, and we are at Shelving Rock Falls, Lake George, somewhere. It's a place. We're going hiking. We're gonna go see some shit. We found some rivers. Found some nice riverbed. We've been following this for a little while, and we're gonna go see what else Shelving Rock Falls, Lake George has. This may have not been a safe idea.
Be careful, especially with that cell phone in your hand.
Yeah, I know. I got like a GoPro in here too. I don't know if I should do this.
Hold on, let me record you.
Oh, you're gonna record me now?
Yeah, that'll give you a little more confidence.
For who?
If you feel like it's not worth it, turn back. Is it stable?
The integrity seems to be there.
In theory. Yeah.
In theory. What's great is this is gonna have two angles for when I crash. And this fails horribly.
I can send this one to you later if you want it.
I'm seriously debating whether I'm gonna turn around.
But yeah. You can help?
A lot. Nothing you can do out here.
No. You're gonna have to work with me a little bit here.
No, I got it. I got it. Just a matter of balancing myself. This is why we do balance exercises first in NASM. So that when you're doing stupid shit like me, you don't fall in the water with your phone. Sorry, I got it.
Okay, alright. That's why I said, when you asked me, I was like, let me see what happens when you do it first.
It looked like a good idea.
It did. It wasn't horrible. It just...
Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but look right there. We got a little fucking duck.
Two of them.
Oh right, he's got a little baby in front of him. And look at that scenic background. Look at the way the trees just kind of reflect on the water. Just made a quick stop here. You guys have just seen me trying to cross that shit there. Fucking
yeah.
Such a failure in life.
No.
I'm never going anywhere. I'm just terrible. I'm a terrible person. Terrible.
We all make mistakes, Joe.
Alright guys, so following the stream downward, it thickens up a little bit over here. Nice clear water, look at that. You can see the bottom. It's incredible. And then there's that, look at that. And then, if you go over here, you got Johnny Dangerous walking on the edge. Look at that. All the fall colors. I think I'll get down there once he gets off. Hold up a minute. Alright guys, so here's the edge. Look at that. You got a big ass pipe down there. The rocks coming down. It's incredible. That's where we came from, over there. Alright guys, so sorry about the sloppy angle. My phone's actually about to die, so it's on the charge in my backpack here, as you can see. But we made it to what I believe is pretty much the end of this trail. Now we're gonna turn around and head back because I don't have a perfect map, and I really don't want to risk going back like that. So safer than sorry. But yeah, my video of the up close of the lake over here got deleted, but and my feet were swamped in water and shit. Like the ground was sinking underneath me. It was a good photo though. It was kind of like, looks like that little area right there. Oh, there we go, right there. All right. Shelving Rock Falls.
Falls, baby.
So Johnny, as a beginner, how'd you feel?
You know, this one was great. Yeah, I think any beginner, if you're just starting out, this is a great way to get started.
Yep.
You know,
Nice and easy,
nice
not too hard.
Nothing too crazy.
Perfect.
Yep.
Perfect.
It's worth it.
Captain America tells you.
There you go.
Better believe it.
That's right.
All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I really think it's gonna be anything special, but hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to Jmurrayathletics, Facebook, Instagram, and make sure you check out jmurrayathletics.com. We have articles every Tuesday. They go up at 8 a.m. Johnny, what's your Instagram account?
That'll be Mac Maine, M-A-N-E 4509. So check me out too sometime, guys.
All right, go follow them. All right, guys. Much love. Stay blessed.
So all the things that you've been, you know, taking pictures of and making video of.
All right, guys. After hiking back a little bit of ways, we found a little bit more of the trail, so I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. This always happens too. So this is gonna be the bottom of the actual falls. You can see over there, there's a little pocket of water for swimming. Your girl would love this, Johnny.
Yeah, no, definitely. I was gonna talk to you about coming out here.
We just went all uphill too. Yeah. Wow, look at the falls. So we got this down here.
Wow.
And then how you doing? We got the falls right here.